This never happened to me with any machine, but hello. Yeah, hello. I touch on softener. I mean, oh no, not distribution. Oh no. Yeah, thank you. No. Thank you. No, please don't. It's insane. It's too much. Suds. It's too. No. It still comes up and on and on. Yes. That's bad as hell. We'll just add some softener. That would solve it probably. Oh, no, it's still over sudsing. No, why? Like, I didn't. Yes. Yeah, okay, great, thank you. Yeah, it started to unsud, whatever you call that. Where the studs are melting and where my rugs get all wet. Yeah, great idea. One advice: don't get rugs beside washing machines or near washing machines at all. Don't get them near washing machines. Yeah, no, yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being such an amazing machine. Is it still overflowing? No, it's not. I'm gonna let it drip down and then wipe here. Yeah, hopefully it's not gonna do these suds anymore. It's gonna reach 90 and it's not gonna let them as the suds are melting at 90. But yeah, my experience with Becca, first time I have a Becca that does this. And I have a premonition that it will happen many more times if I'm not changing this.